What's up guys, it's Kaustup here, and today guys, welcome to my detailed speed test comparison video between the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and the OnePlus Nord. So both of these phones are a tough competitor to each other in terms of the hardware that both of these phones has, especially the processors. And with that being said guys, do watch the complete video till the end, and just like always, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below as well as turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So guys, starting with the speed test video, on the screen you can see on the left side I have the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with me, and the variant of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is 6GB RAM plus 128GB variant which I have, and on the right side I have the OnePlus Nord which is 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant. And also moving on to the speed test guys, beforehand I would like to show you the Wi-Fi networks. So both of them are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network guys, and also I will just quickly show you the refresh rate on both of them. So the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max basically can go up to is like 120 Hz. So in there you can see like it is set to the maximum which is 120 Hz here, and whereas on the OnePlus Nord as well, the maximum refresh rate it can go is up to 90 Hz. So both of them have been set to the maximum refresh rate possible guys, and I will just quickly clear out all the apps from the memory of both of these devices so there are no apps running in the background as well. And here I have downloaded a couple of apps which this kind of apps we all use on daily basis on our smartphones. So it is best to include this apps which is a combination of heavy apps, some light apps and some games as well. So starting with the speed test guys, in the first row the first app is the Twitter app. Okay, the OnePlus Nord loaded it faster here. Going on to the second app is Feedly. Again the OnePlus Nord loaded it faster guys. Third app is the Facebook app. OnePlus Nord again loaded it faster guys here. Next app is Google Chrome. Okay, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max loaded the website faster compared to the Nord here. Next app in the second row is Amazon Shopping. Okay, both the phones were really close, so I will give it to both of these phones, and all the apps I have been keeping it in memory guys for the second round. Going on to the next app is Instagram. Okay, the OnePlus Nord loaded it faster, and then the Note 10 Pro Max refreshed and loaded the whole Instagram feed here, keeping that in memory. Going to the next app is YouTube. Again the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max loaded it faster compared to the OnePlus Nord here, so I will again keep that into the memory. Next app is Video Shop. Okay, in Video Shop what we will be doing is that we will be importing a clip which is the same exact clip on both of them, which is a 1080p 60fps clip guys. So I will keep that ready to render and keep the app in memory so that after the second round we can see the video rendering speed, keeping Video Shop in memory guys. Going on to the last row of apps, we have the games. First game is PUBG Mobile obviously. So the OnePlus Nord loaded PUBG Mobile faster, and then the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max loaded the app. So that was expected sort of guys. Going on to the second last app is Mario Run. I've kept inside. Tell me your reasons for leaving me. Okay, both of them loaded the game really fast. There was a very slight difference in both of them, so I would give it to both of these devices for loading Mario Run fast. And finally going on to speed test, in which one by one we will see the network speed as to which device gets a higher network speed. On the OnePlus Nord you can clearly see we got higher download speeds at 49 Mbps and upload speed is 52 Mbps. So I think the Wi-Fi reception is slightly better on the OnePlus Nord compared to the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, because both of these phones have been really kept close to the Wi-Fi router itself. So that's to do with the speed test. Again, we will keep that in memory as well, and all the apps are running in memory, guys, as you can see. So we will now, in the second round, we will do a memory management round in which we will randomly open any of these apps one by one or randomly. So first app I will be opening is Feedly. Okay, both the phones had the Feedly app in memory. Next we will go to YouTube here. Okay, YouTube was also in memory, guys. Next one is to do with Amazon Shopping. Okay, Amazon Shopping was also there in memory for both of them. Let's go to Video Shop. Video Shop is also in memory. So let's try with Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome got reloaded on the Note 10 Pro Max here. OnePlus Nord had it in memory, guys. Let's try out the Twitter app. Okay, Twitter app also reloaded, guys, as you clearly saw on the Note 10 Pro Max. OnePlus Nord already had it in memory. Let's try with PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile was in memory for both of them. Let's go to let's try with Facebook app. Okay, Facebook also got reloaded here. Let's go to Instagram. Instagram also reloaded on the Note 10 Pro Max, guys. And let's try with Mario Run. Mario Run was in memory for both of this. So it's keeping the game in memory, and some apps it has been exiting. Let's try with Amazon Shopping. Amazon Shopping was again in memory, guys. So that's to do with this memory management round. And as you saw, like the Note 10 Pro Max was lagging slightly with memory management. But finally, let's go to the Video Shop, and we will be exporting a video, and let's see which phone exports the video faster. Okay, so the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has completed the video rendering fast, and after that the OnePlus Nord has completed the video rendering. So they were pretty close, I would say. The results were really close, like hardly a 2-second difference. So right now, guys, as you have already seen the speed test video, you guys have a better idea between these two which phone is the fastest. And yes, the winner of this speed test comparison is the OnePlus Nord. Definitely, I expected that before the speed test only. But guys, the main advantages due to which the OnePlus Nord always wins in this mid-range segment, firstly is to do with Oxygen OS. So the OnePlus Nord has Oxygen OS, and Oxygen OS, all you guys know, it's just really well optimized, and the performance is just amazingly fast and quick, also with the animations. And next thing is the processor. So the OnePlus Nord has the Snapdragon 765G processor. So it is also another big positive point, due to which the OnePlus Nord always is able to keep up with the latest mid-range segment smartphones as well. And on the other hand, we have the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, guys. So the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, if you see the price, it starts at about like 19,000 for the base variant, and 20,000 is for the variant which I have with me. So for that price, at a starting price of about 19,000, guys, you are getting an amazing package. Like it has 120Hz AMOLED display. That's a big thing. And also another thing is to do with the camera. So it has this 108 megapixel sensor inside of it, which just clicks some amazing photos, guys. But nonetheless, for the price, this is a value for money phone. And if you are still confused between both of them, I would say, in my opinion, like if you have the budget of 19,000 rupees, then definitely go for the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. There is no better phone than this, at least at this point in time. But whereas if you are someone who has a flexible budget and you can go for the OnePlus Nord, then definitely go for the OnePlus Nord. It is definitely a better phone over the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. At least in terms of day-to-day performance, it will perform better. And you will get a better and clean software experience as well. So guys, that's about it for the speed test video. And in this speed test video, I hope you have got your answer as to which phone is faster and which phone you should definitely go for. And with that being said, if you have liked this video, guys, then please hit the like button down below. And also, guys, please do consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, as well as turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, this is your boy Kaustubh from Tech to Explore signing off. Until then, keep exploring.